Hey, I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays, and I was asked a very interesting question about luxury retail and the Indian celebrities and ambassadors who have been chosen to represent certain important brands. So, if you look at Deepika, she's representing LV, you have Alia for Gucci, and Sonam for Christian Dior. So, what's really going on? And if you look at the Euromonitor report, it says that from 2021, which was about 2.5 million, today in 2022, you have $8.5 billion that is being spent in India on luxury retail. For me, as a person in this profession, I always try to break things down, and I've got three thoughts out here. So the first thought is, I think because of globalization, and because everything is now so rapid and instant, we want it when it is being launched everywhere else. And that itself brings in a unique opportunity when you're looking at something that's international and something that's Indian. There's fusion, there's collaboration, and I think fashion is going to evolve very differently than what it was before. My second point is, if these brands are launching in India, if you know, is many countries within one big place. So the cultural understanding, what do people like? What are their tastes? Who better than an Indian celebrity to represent your brand? You can never get that wrong because that person is inputting into your brand, is telling you what will work. And each of these women that I mentioned have a personality and a command and a poise which these brands are buying into. My third point is that, do you think this is something that people sit and say, oh, let's go with Sonam, let's go with Aishwarya Rai, let's go with Deepika? No. Brands have a personality. They have an imagery that they have crafted over many, many years. If you look at any of these brands, they have great stories of how these fashion houses became what they were. If you're really interested in this, catch the Netflix documentary on Vogue and how that really happened. But coming back to my point, the brand's image and personality and the celebrity's core personality have to come together. And that is well researched, thought through. And I would urge people that this science that you bring into choosing a celebrity for your brand brings in a whole lot of understanding and a discipline of taking informed decisions. And my last point that I want to say, I say India today with a lot of pride, we have things here when things are being launched internationally. We are not 2 seasons behind that I used to make a joke. I think we know what's trending, we want it now, and we want it when everybody else has it.